Hi there, a quick video today to show you how to set up your StickIt tile repair kit. Comes in two sizes, a 1 litre and a 5 litre. We thought we'd show you quickly how this comes, just to unbox it as well, show you what's involved to get set up so that you're ready to repair your loose tiles very quickly. So the 1 litre kit comes with an injection bottle. It's pretty much ready to go. You've got your needle attached to that. It comes with 2 packs of adhesive, 2 pouches of adhesive. We suggest that you give these just a little bit of a massage to mix well before you use it. You also have your instruction guide, which is in there, more detailed instructions for all of the projects that you might come across. And then you've got your accessories pack, which includes your drill bits. Very simple to get set up. So with your 1 litre, you basically untwist the pump bottle. You would then take one of your adhesive packs and remove the plug. Now, you can either try and twist that off. If it's a little bit tight, just use a set of pliers to sort of break the seal. But the idea is you remove the plug, place it into the bottle and squeeze. That allows you to put as much adhesive as you need into the bottle to do the project that you're doing. You don't have to use it all at once. So just cap that off. You can store that in the cupboard. As long as it's got the cap back in, it'll store for a period of time. You basically take your pump handle, insert it into the bottle, twist until that's firm. Basically give it a few pumps. Pump it until you get a bit of pressure. Once you feel that pressure and you can't force it anymore, you know you've got enough pressure. There's then a little bit of tape. You want to remove that just from the protective cap, just so you don't hurt yourself. That exposes the needle. And just to show you, if I push the trigger, we're basically now injecting. So you only really want to be injecting for about 3 to 5 seconds per hole, and just regularly give it a few more pumps to keep that, that pressure up. And if you want to stop between projects, just take this needle, maybe put it in a cup of water or something like that, and keep the cap on so you don't spike yourself, and just untwist it to release the pressure. So that's the 1 litre pack. The 5 litre pack, similar, except we've got a bigger pump injector for you. Much easier to use if you're working over larger areas. And with the 5 litre kit, again, you've got your instructions and your little accessories pack. The difference is we give you a 5 litre container, but what's important is this comes with a strainer sock. So the adhesive is very concentrated, and if it gets air on the top of it, and you will as you use more adhesive, you get more air at the top of the container, it can start to thicken and sometimes skin. So we do suggest that you strain the product before it goes in. And the way to do that is you take the little sock, which is in a pouch on the back, you place it over the neck of the bottle, or place it into the bottle and then fold it back. And then what you'll find is that you've got a nice little filter sock in place there. You can turn your bottle upside down 2 or 3 times to make sure the adhesive is mixed well. Remove your cap, pour your adhesive in, and when you've poured your adhesive in, you can take that sock, wash it out in the sink, and it's ready to go for next time. Put your handle on and then start pumping. The only difference with the 5 litre is it's got a slightly different trigger. You take your needle, twist that on, and you're ready to go. So there you go, that's the setup for the StickIt injection kit. You've got your 1 litre size and you've got your 5 litre size. Fairly straightforward. There's videos on our website just showing different projects and how you might use this. But this is a quick video showing you how quickly you can get up and running to repair those loose tiles.